It's finally here. The DJI Tello is in my hands and in my possession. Here, I will give you a first hand look at one of the smallest, most advanced drones to ever hit the market. Here, what you're looking at right now is the image, the video quality of this drone. Mind you, it's not that good, but once I do an outside test of this drone, you're going to see. You're going to see that it's very good. And here is the drone in action. Look at that drone. Look how stable it is in the sky. Right now, this is just the indoor testing, but I am soon to be able to test this drone out outside. Once the weather breaks, I'll have more testing of this drone and I will be exploring its capabilities. You can guarantee on that. Alright, guys, you like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.